Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on enabling or disabling the tap to show full notification on the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your watch can hide the full details of a notification behind a summary until you tap the screen or double tap your fingers. It's a good feature to have on if you don't want people to be able to see your messages on your wrist as they come in. Follow the steps to learn how to turn the setting on or off. Tap the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down and tap notifications. Scroll down to tap to show full notification and tap the toggle to the right to enable or disable the setting. When the toggle is green, you will have to tap your watch or your fingers to see the full notification, and when the toggle is grey, the full notification will be shown. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch tips and tricks.